In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rich filters in Jira Dashboard. Rich filters are a useful way to make Jira dashboards more interactive and easier to work with. They help you organize and refine the information shown on your dashboard so teams can focus on exactly what they need without changing the underlying Jira data. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a rich filter and where to go next once it's been set up. To begin, open Jira and go to the Rich Filters area. This is where you manage filter setups that can later be used to power more advanced dashboard views. If you're new to this section, think of it as the control center for creating smarter dashboard filtering options. Once you're in the Rich Filters area, click on Create Rich Filter. This will open the setup page where you define the new filter. The creation process is straightforward, but it's important to fill in each part carefully so the filter is clear and useful later on. Now, enter a name for your rich filter. Choose a name that clearly describes what the filter is meant to show. For example, you might name it based on a team, project, workflow, or reporting purpose. A descriptive name makes it much easier to find and manage later, especially if your Jira instance contains several filters. After naming it, select the Jira filter you want to use as the base. This step is important because the rich filter depends on an existing Jira filter. In other words, the Jira filter provides the underlying issue set, and the rich filter adds more flexible ways to interact with that data on a dashboard. Make sure you choose the correct Jira filter so your dashboard displays the right information from the start. Once the name and Jira filter have been selected, click Create. Jira will then generate the rich filter for you and open its configuration area. At this point, the rich filter itself has been created successfully, and you're ready to customize how it behaves. After creation, you can continue by navigating through the available options such as static filters, dynamic filters, and smart filters. These sections let you expand the functionality of your rich filter depending on how you want users to interact with dashboard data. Static filters are helpful when you want fixed filtering choices. Dynamic filters are useful for more flexible, user-driven selections, and smart filters can provide faster ways to highlight meaningful subsets of issues. That's how to create a rich filter in Jira Dashboard. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have a solid foundation for building more powerful, user-friendly dashboards in Jira.